What's going on, everyone? It's MotoMiracle, and in today's video I'm being in the garage just for a hot second to install my new Saddlemen Explorer seat. So once that's all done, I'll hop on the saddle and I'll give you all my first impressions. So let's go hit the intro and let's go check out this video. Oh man, so good. What's good, y'all? If you're new to my channel, I'm just a traumatic brain injury survivor with a second chance at life, and I want to share my journey to you through my eyes. So today we will be installing my new Saddlemen Explorer seat. So a bunch of people have asked about what the difference is between the stock seat and the Saddlemen seat. Like they say, you know, up here is going to be a little different, it's probably a little shorter and everything, but so once that's installed, I'll explain everything about it when I'm on the bike. So what I have to do first is we're gonna unscrew this, and then we're gonna pop this out, which is very simple, and then we're gonna unscrew and pop this off too. And then I'm gonna clean her real quick, and then I'll put the seat on, put the same screw back in, and that should be really quick. So let's get it done. To make sure that I'm getting the dirt off completely, I will be using this. You get it at Walmart. It's really good. It works very well. Waterless car wash by Chemical Guys. Make sure you use a micro towel. Smells like candy. So good. Don't eat it or drink it though. So what we're gonna have to do is right here, I'll show you right after, but we're gonna remove, rotate, reattach, and install. It's very simple. You are going to need a 532 hex. So obviously you're gonna want the tongue, which is right here, you know, and we're gonna wanna stick it right under here. So it should be very simple, and then, you know, we'll put it back on. Yes, it's a little more gap right here, if you guys can see. I'm not sure. There's a little gap, but that's totally okay. It looks really nice. I love it. gonna be good back sport. Looks good though. So let's hop on the saddle and I'll give you my first impressions.
The next day.
Oh yeah, what's good everyone? Yeah, so today's the net. So today is tomorrow. Tomorrow's today. Sorry, yeah. Yesterday I wasn't feeling so well, so I decided I'll rest it up, and so today I will be giving you my first impressions on the Saddlemen Explorer seat on my 2018 Harley-Davidson Sport Glide. Oh, man, I love this seat so far though. Oh yeah. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to compare it to the stock seat and the Saddlemen seat. So the Saddlemen seat is definitely slimmer and it's definitely shorter than the stock seat for my seat at least. For the passenger seat, it's definitely wider and definitely taller in a good way. Because like I said, so instead of saying my fiance all the time, I'm just gonna say Miss Miracle. So Miss Miracle is 5'10", 5'10 and a half, and yeah, she can ride probably, you know, an hour tops, and then her butt gets numb, her thigh gets numb, her groin everything gets numb. But now with this seat, hopefully, you know, we should be able to go a lot longer, because I mean this seat is wide, it is nice, and it is very comfortable. So also with the stock seat and the Saddlemen is the Saddlemen seat is definitely taller. So basically I feel like I'm higher up, which isn't a bad thing. You know, even though I'm 6'1", it's still like I said, I feel very, very comfortable right now. I actually feel more comfortable than I do in the stock seat. So that is good. The only thing, like I said, a bunch of people, what they are worried about is what they are worried about is the fact that since I am mostly legs and, you know, the rest upper body. So basically it's like I was worried about this seat because I wanted a seat that goes oh shit, slow down. I had to go that way. I lost my turn. Yeah, so like I was saying, that I was worried because I wanted a seat that pushes me backwards, not pushes me forward. And so like I said, I was worried about that because this does push me forward. But there's a but on that one. But the only thing is that even though that it pushes me forward, it pushes me also taller, like more up. It pushed me up higher, which is a good thing because what I want is my seat to, because I want my legs to be more fully extended, and I was worried. I was really worried about the Saddlemen seat being like making my legs even less, making them shorter, like, so basically more cramped up, because that's something I do not want. I want my legs more extended than I can. So basically though, the thing is with this Saddlemen seat, since it pushes you higher up, even though it pushes you forward, my legs are actually more extended than I was on the stock seat. If you can see, like, it's actually, look at this, it's very comfortable. So even though I'm higher up and pushed in, it actually makes it better. Like I said, the trunk, it's more like the rider triangle. It's perfect. Like look at this, like look, it's a lot more extended. But like I said, it doesn't make it worse, it makes it a lot better actually. Like, I love it. Let's take a quick thumbnail and we'll get back on this conversation.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
All right, let's get back on the bike. Put the gloves on. Where were we? Talking about taller, pushing it forward. Yeah, so basically, like I said, it definitely, look at this, like, it's putting me a lot, I'm higher up, I definitely feel higher up, but my legs, if you look at it, are definitely longer, more extended than they were. I think the stock seat was more like closer like this. So I actually, like I said, I am loving this seat. I was worried. I know a bunch of people were worried, but man, like, it's amazing. And like I said, real quick, with the between the seat, the tank, and the seat, there is a little gap right here. But the thing is, like, I mean, it doesn't look bad. It still looks really good on the bike. It really does. And the other thing is, if you're staring at the seat, like, you shouldn't be looking at your junk when you're riding or at a light. You should be paying attention on the roads, always looking ahead, see what's going on. Never look at your junk when you're riding. Oh yes sir, it is nice outside. This is one of my nice places to go. Alright. The next thing that I'll be talking about is the comfort. Man, yes, this is comfortable than a lazy boy. Woo! Yeah, this is a very comfortable seat. Like I said, I know that it's not in the break, it's still in a break-in period, but still people say it's hard. But I don't even know, like, this is a lot more comfortable than the stock seat already, and it still got and it still has a break-in period, so I don't mind at all. They do say that the Saddlemen seats let you go 400% longer than you can on a stock seat. So I last about 2 hours in the stock seat, and then everything starts hurting and whatever. So 400 times more, I think that's like 8 hours more, right? If I did my math wrong, please let me know. The one thing also about the Saddlemen is I feel, like I said, I got a big ass. You know, I got the, you know, a nice Sicilian butt right now. But so basically, like, but the thing is, the back support is one of the best things on this, because instead of me lean, if you can't see me obviously, but I'm kind of like slouching right now, but this Saddlemen seat, it makes me stay keep my back like great posture. So that's how it's supposed to actually make you go long distance. Once again, you know, my legs, my back straight, everything's good. So altogether, it's making an amazing, perfect rider's triangle, you know. Look at left, look at right, and we are good to go. So no more slouching, y'all. Make you get good back posture. Man, I am loving this seat. Oh. Like, also, like, when I am putting my feet on the bike, when I'm putting my feet down on the floor, then it's actually like I have to actually, it's not like too low. Like I said, like when I touch the floor, I'll show you at the stop sign right here. But the floor, like I said, instead of it being like very like awkward, like it's kind of like, I don't, you know, like I said, it's too low. This one's actually really nice. Let me show you. Let me show y'all. Like, see real quick. All right, it is so nice. It's I wanted to make this a perfect video, but I am honestly, like, I'm speechless how great this Saddlemen seat is. I'm serious, y'all. I feel like I can sit on this bike all day, literally, just miles and miles and hours of riding. Oh, the wind between my knees. Yeah. So I guess that's all positives. I mean, there definitely are something, like, there's definitely things that I might be missing on this in this first impressions. If there's anything that y'all know that I forgot, please let me know, and I will comment back, and I'll tell you exactly what the answer is. And if I don't know, it will be in my my actual, you know, the actual like 1,000 to 2,000 mile review, you know. And like I said, we're in West Texas, so we're gonna be doing miles and miles just to go anywhere. So 1,000 to 2,000 miles is not gonna take that long. Oh, it's so beautiful out here, so comfortable. Like I said, I feel like a king in the castle, huh? All right. So I guess in my mind, I don't think this is negatives, but this is to people who might think this is negative. So the tank and the seat gap, like I told y'all, I showed you it. I honestly don't think it's a bad thing. Some people might not like it. I honestly don't mind it. I actually like it, little gap, because it gives it a little more pizzazz. I don't know what the word is. It looks good. I actually like, look at you guys, I really like it. Moto. Man, I feel like I'm getting old. And the other thing that people don't like is that 500-mile break-in period. And the thing is, if you're a rider, 500 miles should be nothing. Oh my gosh, that guy completely almost went in my lane. Yeah, honestly, in my mind, it's like 500 miles really isn't that long. I mean, if you're a weekend warrior, then yeah. Then this seat might be a little harder to get to that 500 wearing period. But even if you can't get to 500 that quick, I'm telling you, this seat is mad comfortable, like really comfortable. Like on all my other first impressions, like I'm always like, I know what to say, I'm always all in the zone. I'm just speechless, y'all. Like, man, Saddlemen, you know what you're doing. Shout out to Saddlemen. If anyone wants a comfortable seat to go from to do serious miles, Saddlemen, it's the way to go, the only way to go. Yes. So once again, if there's any questions y'all need, please just shoot me a direct message on Instagram. Whoa. Yeah, shoot me a direct message or comment below down here. Let me know. And like I said, I'll answer it. Or if there's anything else you want me to know and you want me to do a video about it, please let me know. So, oh man, see, look at this. Like, I'm almost fully extended. With the stock seat, it was like this almost, you know. I feel freaking, man, I feel great. I love this seat. Ready, let's go. They do not like lane splitting here, but guess what? I almost got hit way too many times. So if I think I'm gonna get hit, I'm gonna split. Alright, y'all, so that's my first impressions of this Saddlemen Explorer seat on my 2018 Harley-Davidson Sport Glide. So if you like this video, please press that like button. If you want to show some love for this channel, please press that subscribe button if you have not already subscribed. And please press that bell icon if you want future notifications. Till next time, y'all, ride safe, spread those positive vibes, never give up. It's MotoMiracle, and I'm out of here.